Okay. Me and Mr. Prana are going on our first walk in this cat carrier. Oh, Mr. Prana, I brought him to a community garden so we can smell the harvest of the earth. Okay, let me put you down and I'll put you on your leash. Prana is a good walker. Yes, he is. Right? Look at this big, beautiful world we get to be a part of together. That's great. Yes. Yes, come on, Bobby Joes. We're walking the trail together. Yeah. I am learning how to hold all my camera gear and my water and my journal and his stuff and his food and his water. Trying to make it as lightweight and easily accessible as possible. All right. Raven Shri and Prana are out in the wilderness. Huh, Bobby Boobs? Yes? It's a joint effort. I kind of get us someplace, find a little bit of a trail, and then let him lead, explore. He likes to stop and smell, which is perfect because I'm a photographer and like to shoot various images. So you make me stop and be present in it. Huh, Bobby Choo-Choos? I like to look out the window while we drive in this big chariot. He's in the passenger seat, my little boy. Yeah, we're going to the lake today. Yeah. Yeah. You like the trees, don't you? Yes, you do. You like to say, hello, trees. Hello. Yeah, that's a good boy. Oh my gosh. Yay. Yay. Who's that out there in the water, honey? It's a ducky. Hey, ducky doos. Hey, ducky doos. Yeah, the big lake scares him a little bit. He likes to be around trees instead.